Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to use Foap to make money. So let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, Foap is a platform that allows users to upload their photos and videos to sell them as stock content, alright? So basically it serves as a marketplace connecting photographers, videographers, and content creators with individuals, businesses, and brands looking for visual content for various purposes such as marketing, advertising, and editorial use, alright? Now here, as you can see, you have the option to continue as a brand or as a creator, alright? Now, if you wanted to join as a brand, simply what you need to do now, right? So this is how it works. You can get access. That's number one. You need to log in to Foap and instantly collaborate with 4.5 million active creators. All right. Write a brief, set a price you are willing to pay for content, share it with creators. And of course, creators will submit photo and video content made to your brief. Review the submissions and pay only for the ones you choose. Now let's click on the continuous brand. Now here, basically users can upload their high quality images and videos to Foap, where they become available for purchase for buyers seeking unique and authentic visual content, because Foap hosts missions sponsored by brands seeking specific types of images, like offering creators an opportunity to earn higher payouts and gain visibility. Right here, as you can see, there are stunning photos right here. There's a lot of them taken by professional artists and creators. Now, the platform operates on a revenue sharing model, with content creators receiving 50% of the earnings from their sold content. And payments are processed via PayPal, and creators can cash out once they reach the minimum withdrawal limit. Okay? Now, Foap provides an accessible platform for both amateur and professional photographers to monetize their creativity and sell their visual content to a global audience. As you can see right here, there's a lot of like 4.5 million creators, 194 countries covered, alright? 200,000 new creators joining monthly, 80,000 daily photos videos created for brands, and 2 million plus Gen Z creators, alright? Now, here's a brief description on how to start if you are like lost during the navigation process. So basically, work directly with creators and build community around your board, which is ideal for brands looking to work directly with creators in a DIY or do-it-yourself model, available in self-serving or managed service plans. And of course, you need to register on the platform to create your account like crowd and immediately start working with the Foap creators. Now, if you're looking for via the Foap agency, alright, work with the specialized creative team and get a platform native assets, which is ideal for brands looking to drive high performance results in paid like Meta, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, Amazon, advertising with quick turnaround. And of course, the way you can do that is you're gonna brief the team and receive ready-made cross-platform optimized assets and drive your business goals, alright? Okay, so you want to learn more about directly working on the platform? What will happen is you will be directed to a new page wherein you can be inspired, and create, alright? Your creative crowd on Foap provides unique access to millions of creators globally ready to produce content for your brand, alright? Here's working directly with creators has never been this easy. Alright, number one is again, brief your crowd, select and purchase, and grow your community. You can even select your plans here, standard, premium, enterprise. Okay? Now, if you want to know more about the Via Foap agency, click on that. As you can see, you get a platform native assets that drives performance, alright? All you're gonna do is book a free strategy call if you're interested, alright? Now, here's the fun part on where you can create money using the Foap platform. you can turn your photos and videos into cash. Simply download the Foap app and start earning today. Alright? So here are some reasons why creators love Foap. All you're gonna do is join the creators platform. Alright? Upload high quality photos and videos because Foap has specific requirements for image quality and content. And you have to ensure your images stand out and are unique. Alright? You can add relevant tags and descriptions. You use descriptive keywords and tags to make your content easily discoverable. And you need to provide accurate and detailed descriptions for your upload. And again, you also need to participate in missions. Interact with Foap users by liking, commenting, and following their work. Engaging with the community so that because when you engage with the community, it can increase the visibility of your own content. All right, and you can even promote your own portfolio by like sharing your Foap portfolio on social media or personal websites to attract potential buyers. And of course, the thing is, you need to have a consistency and patience. Consistently upload high quality content to increase your chances of making sales. Patience is the key. It makes take some time before your work gains traction. Alright? So that's one of the reasons or one of the methods known on how to create money using Foap. Alright? And I suggest you go here at their website to get more information. And that concludes our today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.